Okay, so this is the thing here. So you go to here and make sure that the background, so you've got to get, this is the sticky menu. I'll show you this. So you go to there, code, type in sticky menu, hashtag sticky menu, and I've changed the background to make sure it's this light peach colour background. Now the only thing is, it's in the wrong section. So there's a section up there, it's in the wrong, I want it to go there, so I have to move it down. Otherwise what happens is go to live page, view developer and tools, it will not scroll down if it's in the wrong section. So you have to put it in the wrong bit. So you can go down there, see if it's in the wrong section. So there's a section there. So it looks like it's in the correct one now. So I'm going to save it again. I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to go to advanced here. So I'm just click on the row, go to advanced, go to logic. Got sticky menu on there. I think this needs to be binned. Oh no, this is the just checking that it's got the right code on it. I think this needs to be binned here. That needs to be binned. I'm just going to save that because I think it's overriding the other code. That was from an earlier error. Right, so I'm going to go back to here. Yeah, baby, yeah. And then you need to go to this one next. And it's not on here, so you need to do the same again. So find where the segment in is, which is there, and paste the row underneath. So the best way is to put the row in here and then add up probably. So get it saved. Sticky contact us. Now if I put it, add a row, saved. Sticky contact us. Why is it not going? I know, probably because it's in there. Not sure. What I'm going to do instead then is I'm going to take this one, I'm going to duplicate this, clone it, and make sure I get the right one. And so it's the peach coloured one. So it's down here, so I'm pretty sure this is it. I'm going to go to here, double check it is the sticky menu, then I'm going to go to settings, and I'm going to create it into desktop and move it into the right position with a up key. Oh, I need to make it slightly different because it is this one's a mobile one. We don't want it up and down. We want it side to side. And get rid of that one. Okay, so this is the original page with my desktop floating menu. So I'm just going to save this and say sticky menu desktop. Save. I'm not going to make it universal, otherwise it will change the colour. I'm going back into princesses. I'm going to add a row here. Bink. Hope it's in the right place. Get it saved. Get a sticky row desktop. There we go. That's why it's doing it. And then I'm going to change the colours. And so it looks pretty. And so I've just changed the colours. And what else do I have to do? Add to go into and put it in the right segment so it loads. You got to go down there and just make sure, see when it disappears with the segment, also add it where it disappears, and so it pops up and then takes place. Okay, so I've put it here, and I'm going to get rid of a lot of these you know, it keeps saying inquirer now, because otherwise it's just inquiring on top of inquiries. Let's see this. Live. So it goes up to there, scrolls down, and then it will basically hit the next one, push that one out the way, and I just want to make sure it doesn't disappear. Yeah, that's cool.